Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Geeta Global School. So, students from your class 6th textbook Honeysuckle, today we are going to read chapter number 7, part 1, video number 1, and the name of the chapter is Fair Play. And this story is written by Prem Chand, and it is retold. Retold means it is bit changed, but the context is same. So students, let's read. Before you read, has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? That means कभी आपके दोस्त ने कुछ आपके साथ गलत किया हो और आपको लगता है कि गलत किया है, तो आपने उसको बोला है या आप चुप रह गए हो, है ना? Read the story about two friends who had decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. So in this story we are going to read about two friends, that is Algu and Jumman, and even we will understand friendship and enmity and what is sense of right and wrong. So let's begin. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, they were very good friends. They lived in a village, and when either of them went outside the village, the other friend used to take care of the family, and people used to know about them, and everybody respected them in the village. Okay, so Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after him. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. So what happened? Jumman was having an old aunt, and this old aunt, she gave all her property to Jumman so that Jumman would take care of her aunt, because nobody was there of her aunt and she was very old. So everything went well for a few years, and after that problem started. So what problem started? Let's see. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. You know, when people become old, they start irritating. They are always dissatisfied. So Jumman and his family also became very irritated with their aunt. Jumman became as indifferent as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. So his wife also started grudging, having problem with the aunt. Okay. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. So that old lady, when she was served food, Jumman's wife would grudge against her. So for few months, she tolerated this insult. Okay, but later on, what happened? Why would she tolerate this insult when she has given all her property to Jumman? Only because that they would take care of that old lady, because she was having no other family member. But patience has its limit. So the patience of the old lady has crossed its limit. They were misbehaving. They were not liking. Jumman and his family were getting irritated with this old aunt. Okay. Come to the next page. One day she spoke to Jumman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. So the old lady understood that they were not wanting her to be at their home. So she asked for a monthly allowance, and she decided that she would set one kitchen for her, and she would stay separate and cook food for her. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient. said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. But Jumman did not agree to this. When the lady demanded allowance and asked to set separate kitchen, then Jumman told her that my wife well knows how to run the family, so be patient. And at this, the old aunt got very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat and do justice to her. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to. So, the old lady used to explain her matter to everyone in the village. Some made fun of her. You know, people enjoy when they hear that you are having some family problem. Some used to give her ideas what to do. So, what happened? Make lit up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. So when the old lady told all her problem to Algu Chaudhary, I have already told you in the beginning of the chapter that Algu and Jumman were very good friends. So when Jumman's aunt told all her problems to Algu, then Algu told that she knows well that Jumman is his very best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. So Algu cannot go against his best friend. Maybe whatever problem she is having, it is their family problem. Jumman is after all his good friend. He cannot go against him. But is it right, my son, to keep mum? To keep mum means to be quiet and not to say what you consider just and fair. So she told Algu that if you think it is right, then is it good to be mum? Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth. So she requested Algu to come to the panchayat and whatever is truth, he should speak that. It's not just that Jumman is his best friend, so he should keep mum. She said Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. So Algu got very confused what to do, what not to do. Okay, thank you.